At the construction site. Today, we're going to the construction site with Bradley the builder. Hi there, Digby Digger. Please dig a trench so I can check that your bucket is working. Digby springs into action and quickly digs a trench. Hi, Carla Crane. Please move those blocks so I can check that your crane arm is working. Carla swings around and moves the blocks easily. Hey, Lewis Loader, please load the dirt from the trench onto Debbie the dump truck. And Debbie dump truck, already dumping onto the dirt pile, sir, Debbie says. Bradley looks around the site. We seem to have completed the job already, he says.